single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make.
Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. Well, tonight we are going to be doing steaks, ribeye steaks. We're going to do them on the RecTec. Got some grill grates. We're going to use the grill grates. We're going to get that hash mark look on them, and we'll see how these grill grates work out. Really hoping for good results. So we're going to, reverse sear them. We're going to bring them up to 110, probably pull them off, and then start our searing process once we kick the grill up to about 400. We'll be using apple wood pellets. So stay tuned. Let's see how this works out. Okay, for our steak, so what we're going to do is we're going to put some salt on it here. And a little bit of pepper. And we're going to let these rest for about an hour. Then we'll add some more seasoning once we get it out on the grill. I'm going to do the other side and we'll get them ready to rest. Okay, so we're going to use the RecTec RT700 Bull. What we're going to do is, you see here, got one side with my grates on it, and the other side with the grill grates. So we're going to start cooking the steaks on this side until I reach 110. We're going to set the temp to 250 and put the probes in it and get it to 110, and then we're going to pull them. Then we're going to crank it up to high, which should be 500 degrees, get these grates really hot, and then come back out and sear them. So right now I'm just going to put some spray down on the grates. Now I've used these grates one time, two of them, did some test run on it, and we're going to do it now and make a video of it. So we'll get it fired up, and we're going to use the app to monitor. So now our grill is up to temp. We got our steaks from resting about an hour. We're just going to take some Montreal steak seasoning and we're going to put it on this side. And once I get them out there on the grill, I'll flip them over and I will hit the other side and get the probes put in it, just to give it a little more flavoring and a nice crust. Alrighty, so let's get our steaks on here. So I'm going to flip them over. Like so. And we're going to come in and hit this side with the Montreal steak seasoning. Something like that. Get a probe in each one here. Just kind of stick it in there. Put it in there. And we'll let them go until they reach 107 to 110, and then we'll pull them. Okay, our steaks are up to an internal temp of 110, so it's time to pull out the probes. I'm not going to use those. I'm going to take the steaks, here, like so, and we're going to wrap them with foil, and we're going to crank up the grill as high as it'll go. We've got our steaks resting in there. We've got the controller turned all the way up. Size it'll go. We'll let it come up to temp. I've actually pulled the probes out, and I'm just letting them dangle there since we're not going to be using them. So we'll let her come up to temp now. Okay, so we have the grill up on high. Let's take our infrared and see what type of temp we have running. 480, 483, right about 480. That's warm enough. Let's get this steak on there, and we'll get some cross matches going. I'm going to use my little counterweight here, put it on top of it. We'll give it like 30 seconds, and then we'll rotate it. All right, let's see if we're doing the thing right here.
Beautiful.
This side all cross marked. Okay, here's our steak with the cross hatch from the grill grates and the reverse sear. Let's cut some of it up and see what she tastes like. Can't wait. Okay, it's like a perfect medium rare. Let's just take a bite and see what she tastes like. That's pretty good. That is pretty good. Let me get the camera set up here. Finish chewing this bite. Cheers. Rainier. Very good. So, anyhow, you saw what I did there. I salted the ribeyes and a little bit of pepper about an hour before I put it on the grill. Turned the grill up to 250. Had the regular grates where I put them on, stuck the probes in there, let them go till they're up to 110. It was about 110. Oh, fly. Anyway, yeah, it went up to 110, and then I pulled them off and wrapped them up in foil. And on the right side of the grill, I had the grill grates. So they were starting to get warm already. Then I cranked the RecTec all the way up. Now, what happened is it got up to 600 degrees, and I seared one of the steaks, but I had a camera error and it didn't record it. So I recorded the second steak. They both came out the same way, other than when I took a reading on the grill grates, they were down to the 480, and I let them come up a little more, just over 500. Then I put the steak on there, put the plate on top of it for weight, got it, it took it, I'd say 45 seconds, then I rotated it, 90 degrees or 90 degrees to get that cross. Let it go another 45 seconds. Then I flipped them over and repeated the process on the other side. The actual cooking of the steak, it took it at 250, it took about 40 minutes to get up to 110. But it worked out perfectly. Those grill grates are awesome. They do great on making grill marks on your steak. They do sear it really, really nice. And the RecTec, like I said, it got up to 600 degrees using the infrared reader. That's pretty impressive. So, like I always say, thank you for watching. You can do this too, and grill on.